Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the videos. So guys, today's video is very important and interesting, and it will help you in creating a content in a faster way. So guys, in today's video I will teach you how we can create 30 Pinterest pins in just 3 to 4 minutes. So guys, without further ado, let's get started. But before we start, in case if you are new in this video or this channel, so please go to my channel Iron Tech and subscribe it, and press the bell notification for the further videos information, and also go to the playlist section where you can find different courses so you can learn from there. After that, I click the search bar and write here Pinterest pin. So I click on this. So it shows us different templates. I click on create a blank Pinterest pin and it will appear in the next video. So guys, I design pins according to like a motivational niche. So I write 30 quotes, motivational quotes, in my notepad. So I copy them all, but wait a second. First of all, I go to there, and here I search for elements, and here I search frames. Photo frames, and sorry, only frames. So press see all, and let's search for like this. It looks good. After that, increase the size. So it's look good. After that, click on text and add a heading, and keep this text here, and change the font. I like this font, so I click on this and decrease the size. After that, our first part is done, and after that go to the side section and click on bulk create. If the bulk create option is not on your sidebar, then go to apps, and here you can search about bulk create option. So click on this, enter data manually, clear table, and then I write here the table name title TTLE, and click on this and press the down key to make a rows. I make 32 rows. So I go to my notepad and copy all these 30 quotes. These are the motivational quotes. So I click there and I paste these quotes here. I think something wrong. Again, I copy these. Yes, there are lines in the quotes, so I have to remove the lines. So I pause the video, and when I remove, I again resume the video. So wait for some second. So guys, I remove the spaces, line space, and I copy all the quotes and go to the Canva and first name the table like TITLE, and then press the down key to make the rows, and then paste this. So that's it. After that I press done, and I think something went wrong. I select all and remove, and after that again go to elements, put this frame here, again set the frame, and that's it. Text, add a heading there and change the font. That's it. After that again go to bulk, and that's it. Click right click on the text and go to connect data and title. So as you can see, press on continue and 30 quotes are connected. So I click on generate 30 pages, wait for some seconds. So guys, as you can see, it generates 30 quotes. You just have to adjust the text according to your size. And you can increase the size like this. And the main thing you can do in all you can do the text adjustment in all images, and after that go to photos and search motivation, and you just have to drag the images here, like in second, like in third, so in that way you can easily create 30 plus posts in Canva within 2 to 3 minutes. So that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn. So I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.